Bon voyage! I should have had these the whole time. Oh. We're just having fun. We came to check on our church building, make sure it wasn't flooded, and I said I'd like to have a canoe, and Jacob Chris goes, "Hey, we got swimming pools." So I'm like, "Let's do it." Our parking lot's flooded. This lower parking lot, it's getting tore up a little bit, but we'll weather through it. It's nothing we haven't seen before.
No, that didn't go. Making a lot of things, you know.
Some people have snow days. We get flood days. We upgraded. We got a place by the lake now, so. I mean, some people are upset, but we look at it as a blessing. You know, it's a beach day today.